You can animate text in one of two ways. You can click on the text itself and then hit the appropriate letter on the keyboard, such as P for property, R for rotation, and all that jazz. Or you can do something that's unique to text. You can twirl the text open and you'll see that we have the text and this little animate button. So I can click on this button here and I can animate several different things, such as position, scale, skew, rotation, opacity, and everything else in here. So let's go ahead and take a look at how to animate a skew, for example. I'll choose skew, and then I have some stopwatches that appear. So I can choose the skew, and then I can move a little bit in my animation, and then I can go to this property, and I can adjust it. And then when I play it back, the hay leans. That's just one example. We can also add something else to the same animation. So let's say I want to add a rotation. I'll go ahead and click on the stopwatch, and I'll go to that last frame again, and I'll rotate it. And I'll play it back. Text has to be so special, doesn't it? Has to show off. But as you can see, I can continue to add to the animation. So let's go ahead and add another property. We'll add an opacity. And I'll go ahead and put the stopwatch on, and I'm going to have the text invisible for the first frame. Move ahead just a little bit, bring it all the way back, a little bit further, invisible again, and go to the last frame and make it completely visible again. Of course, you can change that opacity. You don't always have to go from 100 to 0. You can go to 25 or any number that you choose. So as you can see, you can do some very, very cool things with your text. You also have the ability at any time to just go ahead and grab all that text and still animate it in the traditional fashion. So I'm going to hit P, hit my stopwatch on my first frame, and I'll move over here somewhere, and I will just grab this text and move it over. And as you see, I'm animating all of that craziness, the rotation, the skew, and the opacity, and the position by using the traditional means of animating by simply twirling down the property. And that's pretty much how you can animate text in After Effects very easily and with a lot of control and a lot of style.